show you the effects of Comiket. Look at those guys. We are checking out today on tap, going back to Tokyo. Some more fireworks, some random stuff in Odaiba, and other stuff. Stay tuned. Sailor Grandpa up there. Check out his legs. Oh, there we are. Yep. Here we are. Our group is here. And we're getting ready to rock some fireworks. Day 6 and 7 were super busy, but we're here with Lori and we're going to talk about day 6 and 7, I guess. The best thing, most delicious thing, and the weirdest thing.
So the best thing from yesterday was having a very nice Japanese lady let us into where we were to see fireworks. She was very nice to us, so we gave her a beer.
Yep.
The most interesting thing
We're in her debt.
was the Project Diva concert we saw at Sega Joypolis. That was pretty cool. It was like a virtual character concert. And most delicious thing was I had a melon float with vanilla ice cream that was really, really good.
Oh, I know. Melon floats and random concerts. What is there not to like about that? Okay. That wraps up day 7, and yeah, stay tuned for day 8.